Welcome to El Nido, one of the most breathtaking destinations in the Philippines, with about 7,641 islands making up the entire country. Palawan is consistently ranked as one of the most beautiful. And when you're here, it's easy to see why. Good morning. We're here at, well, the sign says Vanilla Beach, but it's Mary Megmeg Beach, if I'm saying that right. I don't know. But we're here at the beach waiting for our tour bus to come pick us up. Hey, people are already going down the zip line that we did yesterday. The zip line's right there to that island. I just grabbed a coffee and yeah, just chilling on the beach. There's like nobody here right now. So if you want to get some cool alone time on the beach, come early. We had to be here at 8:30. 8:30 and 8:45 is supposed to be when our tour bus picks us up. But it's 8:49. But yeah, we're going on the tour today. The tour C, if the weather permits. If not, tour A. And then whatever tour we don't do today, we're doing on Thursday. Look at this beautiful view. Oh my goodness, it's windy. I booked a private island hopping tour with APE Tours, and they took care of everything from the route to the food to the vibes. And this is Tour A, which is known for its turquoise lagoons, the hidden beaches, and the huge towering limestone cliffs. They also do the Red Bull diving here. So our first stop, the iconic Big Lagoon. You have to kayak your way through narrow passages surrounded by towering rock formations and the crystal clear water. It's like so still, it literally looks unreal. We're in Big Lagoon. We saw a lot of fish, jellyfish, and even a little baby shark.
Shark.
Baby shark.
See?
Nurse?
Black tip shark.
Black tip. Dangerous?
Yeah. That's a black tip shark.
Wow. Little baby.
Baby shark. It's a baby shark. Baby shark. Mamo, inok.
Wow. Wow.
Sino po daw yung pinaka-maswerte?
Kuya Big Boy.
Hello, kumusta? The Red Bull cliff diving.
Right here?
Yeah.
Right there. Red Bull cliff diving. How do you know how far?
30 meters.
30 meters?
30 meters for the men and women is 25 meters.
25 for women, 30 for men. Would you do it? You go. Wow. Scary. Wow, so pretty.
You hear?
Oh, I see, yeah. Jellyfish. Oh yeah, right there, there's one.
There's a lot over there.
Oh yeah.
Right there. Exactly 3 o'clock.
Oh, so many.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
It's not dangerous.
They don't sting?
No. Not a sting. No tentacle. If they have tentacle, the jellyfish, that is a dangerous. Oh, that is a marine life only, like algae, and then because of the water, seawater, just water.
Which one's the most dangerous?
The box jellyfish.
Box jellyfish.
Box jellyfish is not same like that.
Next, we pulled up to Secret Lagoon. It's actually tucked behind a wall of limestone, and you have to climb through a rock just to get in. And like, if you didn't know it was there, you'd probably paddle right past it. And nearby, Shimizu Island was the perfect lunch spot. Our guides at APE Tours served the freshest food right on the boat. It doesn't get much better than lunch with these insane views.
So the butter shrimp, and what's chicken? Yeah. Chicken adobo also. Pancit in Filipino.
Yes.
Favorite.
What is this? Chicken?
Chicken, yeah.
Chicken adobo.
And then one
Rice.
is cucumber.
Cucumber
Rice,
salad.
the power of rice. Okay?
Okay.
Start and enjoy.
And shrimp. That's the dessert. Woo! Floating buffet. So good.
Filipino delicacy, turon. Oh,
Wow, this is so good.
Yeah.
Pancet. I used to have this when I was a kid. It was nice to have the day to ourselves and not have to share the boat and the guides with a big group. It gave more peace, more flexibility with schedule, and no rushing, just island time. Plus, the guides have just you to focus on, not a huge group. We did the private tour today in El Nido, but we did do the join-in tour in Phi Islands in Thailand, and it was cool, but I think this one's way better. It's just more, you're just by yourself, get to do your own thing, go your own pace, you get to lay out and take a nap.
Siesta.
And then plus, you know, being on the water all day, I felt like the Fifi Island one, people were getting grumpy and stuff. So you're just like with a bunch of grumpy people. But here, you know, you got your space, you can lay out. We got the buffet, our own buffet, just chilling. Got our music on, so it's nice. Definitely worth it. Dessert? Those are so yummy. Although I've done plenty of group tours before, and they can be super fun, plus you meet new friends, I definitely think it was worth the price difference for El Nido Tour A with APE Tours. So one big bummer, we actually paid to get, you know, the footage, all the photos and videos that our guides were taking from all of the stops that we made. They lost it. One of the ladies cleared off the memory cards before checking to see if it was sent out to the customer, aka us. So yeah, we literally lost all those photos and videos. Big bummer. And they didn't offer anything for losing those. I mean, we did pay for it. It was part of the tour. So yeah, was very disappointed about that and not receiving those or any compensation for it. But yeah, other than that, it was great. Like I said, the guides were amazing. We had Kuya Big Boy. He was awesome. So that's why I don't really have that much footage at some of these spots that we did, because I was just relying on Kuya Big Boy. But yeah, it disappeared because they deleted it off the memory card before sending it to me. And then after the tour, we headed back to our accommodation, showered, had a little break, got some work done, and then later that evening went to Bella Vita, which is an Italian restaurant right on the beach. It was beautiful. Cute little walk to the restaurant. I got a delicious pasta. And it was so cool because I met these people the previous night at a different restaurant in El Nido town, and we didn't exchange any contact or anything, but you know, just through talking and stuff, found out that she also lives in BGC back in Manila. So yeah, that was cool. And then the next night we're again at the same restaurant, and it's not even in El Nido town, it's out of the way. So it was just like crazy, and I don't know, like meant to happen. So we definitely took some pictures and exchanged contact that time around, since we didn't the first night. And yeah, got to plan a coffee date with her soon back in BGC. So if you're planning a trip to El Nido, I highly recommend doing a tour, whether private or shared. Just make sure you don't skip it. It's a must here in El Nido. Like, did you even go to El Nido if you did an island hop? It's beautiful and even more surreal in person. Trust me. El Nido, you've stolen a piece of my heart, and I can't wait to come back so you can steal another piece.